Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60. Let's open it up. Okay, so I actually really like this car. I bought it at the store for 12 bucks, so let's open this up. Okay, so it has this plastic case right here, and I believe we just take this out like that. Wow, okay. Oh man, this is amazing. The weight of it, it's just, wow. So, this is the first impression I have. First of all, it's very detailed. I mean, look at the front spokes and stuff like that. There, and then, like the shape of it, the overall body kind of looks like a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I really like those cars. This is just the better version, pretty much. And then the back, there's something on the back there. GNC. Or JNC. I don't really know what that means, but anyways, the back is really nice. They have to add a license plate there. And see the bottom. It's nice and shiny, and you can actually read it. Wow. And then I love the wooden paneling on here. Overall, beautiful car. And okay, that is really quiet because the wheels are actually rubber, which it's rare in Hot Wheels these days. I mean, all these wheels are just plastic. So this is really, really nice. I mean, it rolls really smoothly. I have cars that roll like this, and even worse, this. And it does not sound good, but oh my gosh, that is amazing. Okay, thanks for watching.